Do you ever feel like a pre-owned car? You know, I think it was Mercedes who converted the concept from selling used cars to pre-owned cars, and somehow pre-owned cars was more acceptable to us. Somehow it was easier for us to buy a used car if we called it a pre-owned car, not a used car. Well, if you take a look at the pre portion of this and see how it applies to the law practice, you'll know that I've spoken about the formula, the arithmetic formula before, of pre. P meaning profit, R meaning revenue, and E meaning expense. And P equals revenues minus expenses, or profits are what's left over after you spend your money from the revenue you've collected. So how is it that we can use this concept to enjoy the practice of law more? In recent days, I've received an increased number of calls from lawyers around the country who want to sell their practice because they're no longer having fun. They're in their late 50s or early 60s, and now is the time to get out while they can. And they want to know the process, and they want my assistance. And I work with them to help set up the practice so that it's a more viable practice for sale, and we'll optimize the dollars that we'll get from the sale of the practice. But I want to suggest to you something different before you get to that point. Because getting to the point of selling the practice because you're no longer having fun means that for some period of time you're not having fun. And the practice of law should not only be profitable, the practice of law should be fun. After all, you are providing a valuable service to the clients that you work with. You're helping them meet their challenges. You're helping them overcome their difficulties. Not only is that satisfying, but it should be fun. And what I've found over the years talking to many different lawyers is that when you are earning good money, even if it's hard work, and yes, I know it's hard work, but everything worthwhile is hard work. When you're earning more money and helping clients, you're having more fun. So think about pre in the context of what can you do to enhance your revenue, to enhance your profits so that you will have fun. Then when you're having the fun and you're earning the money, now is the time to think about selling your practice. Whether it's this month or next year, you should have a plan in place to do so. Think about pre, not in the context of a pre-owned car, but pre in the context of profit equals revenues minus expenses, and how can you enhance your profits and at the same time enhance your fun in the practice. Thanks for joining us today.